BULL stock analysis and BULL stock prediction. In this quick short 1-minute video, what I'll be breaking down is my exact play with Webull stock, especially from right now. I'm still going to stick to my strategy that I've refined over 45,000 videos in 5 years, because I've seen what's working and what's not. I have all the data documented over the last 5 years. So especially with Webull, it's not going to be me randomly buying here. I mentioned that I want to see a proper double break happening, and I'm still yet to see it. I mean, I technically saw the first one, but second one must really show me that second shift in order for me to get my hands messy and buy. But other than that, like, I'll just definitely still be waiting. No doubt about it. Like, I do have receipts with Bull in the Discord, like 26 or so. So it's really like not lack of coverage with Webull. It's just that sometimes you need to wait. I mean, welcome to trading. Sometimes it's boring, but it is what it is, right? And if you want to stay tuned, want to get free stock picks, tips, and insights for free, click the first link in the description. We'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.